Hi, welcome to this Corbettmaths video. In this video, we're going to look at expanding two brackets. And here's a typical question. It says expand and simplify x plus 3 brackets x plus 8. Now, just before we have a look at this example, let's go back and have a look at expanding a single bracket. So here we've got 5 bracket x plus 2. And what that means is we've got 5 lots of x plus 2. And if I wanted to work out 5 lots of x plus 2, I could do x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2. And that would give me 5x's plus 10 if I had done that manually. Alternatively, we could just multiply what's inside the bracket by 5. So we could do 5 times x and 5 times x. In algebra, you just put them together. That's 5x. Then we've got our plus sign. And then we're going to do 5 times 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. So if we had 5 lots of x plus 2, that would be 5x plus 10. And we've done that by just multiplying what's inside the bracket by the number outside the bracket. Okay, let's have a look at another example. This time we've been asked to expand x bracket x plus 9. That means x lots of x plus 9. And to expand this, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply what's inside the bracket by the term outside the bracket. So we'll do x times x. And when we multiply x by itself, that's x squared. So x times x is x squared. Then we're going to do x times 9 and x times 9. Putting them together will be 9x, so plus 9x. So if we had x lots of x plus 9, that is x squared plus 9x. So if we go back to the example we're looking at, we've been asked to expand and simplify x plus 3 brackets x plus 8. So this means we've got x plus 3 lots of x plus 8. So if we find x lots of x plus 8 and we find 3 lots of x plus 8, we can add them all together to find x plus 3 lots of x plus 8. So let's do that. So let's start up by finding x lots of x plus 8. So we're going to multiply both of these terms by x. So x times x is x squared. Then we're going to do our x times 8, and x times 8, putting them together, will be 8x, so plus 8x. So we found x lots of x plus 8, that's x squared plus 8x. Now we want to find 3 lots of x plus 8, so we now need to multiply both of these terms by 3. So 3 times x, and 3 times x is 3x, so that's plus 3x. And then finally, we need to do 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 is 24, so plus 24. So if we had the brackets x plus 3 bracket x plus 8 and we were asked to expand it, we would get x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 24. Now you notice we've got some like terms here. We've got 8x and 3x. So we've been asked to expand and simplify, so we need to collect those like terms. We need to add together our 8x's plus 3x's. And 8x's plus 3x's is 11x's. So our final answer would be x squared plus 11x plus 24. And that's it. So if we wanted to expand and simplify these brackets, we just multiply both of these terms by x, and then we multiply both of the terms by 3, and then just collect any like terms. So let's have a look at our next question. So this time we've been asked to expand and simplify x plus 5 brackets x minus 3. So we need to multiply both of these terms by x, and then we need to multiply both of these terms by 5, and then just collect any like terms. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 3, we'll put them together, will be minus 3x, so minus 3x. So we multiply both of the terms by x, now we're going to multiply both of the terms by 5. 5 times x would be plus 5x. And then finally, 5 times minus 3, well, a positive times a negative is a negative, so 5 times minus 3 would be a negative answer, and 5 times 3 is 15. So 5 times minus 3 would be negative 15 or minus 15, so we're just going to write minus 15. Now we've expanded the brackets, let's see if we can simplify by collecting any like terms. Well, if we have a look here, we've got minus 3x's plus 5x's. Well, if we had minus 3x's and we add 5x's, that means we're going to go back up, and that will bring us to 2x's. So that means we would have x squared plus 2x minus 15. And that's it. So if we were asked to expand x plus 5 brackets x minus 3, our answer would be x squared plus 2x minus 15. And we've done that by just multiplying both of these terms by x, then multiplying both of these terms by 5, and then collecting any like terms. And that gives us our x plus 5 lots of x minus 3. Okay, let's have a look at our next question. So our next question says expand and simplify x minus 4 brackets x minus 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both of these terms by x, then we're going to multiply both of these terms by minus 4, and then just collect any like terms. So let's start off by multiplying both of these terms by x. So x times x is x squared. Then we've got x times minus 7, and x times minus 7, putting them together will be minus 7x, so minus 7x. So we multiply both of these terms by x. Now let's multiply both of these terms by minus 4. So minus 4 times x, putting them together, would be minus 4x. And then finally, we've got minus 4 times minus 7. Well, negative times a negative is a positive, so plus, and 4 times 7 is 28. So we've expanded our brackets, now we just need to collect any like terms. And if we have a look here, we've got x squareds, x's, and numbers. Well, we've got these two x terms in the middle, minus 7x minus another 4x. So if we had minus 7, take away another 4 would be minus 11. So it'd be minus 11x. So it's going to be x squared minus 11x plus 28. And that's it. So if we were asked to expand x minus 4 brackets x minus 7, our answer would be x squared minus 11x plus 28. Okay, let's have a look at our next question. Okay, so our next question says expand and simplify 2x plus 1 brackets 3x plus 5. So to expand and simplify these brackets, we're going to multiply both of these terms by 2x, and then we're going to multiply both of these terms by 1, and then just collect any like terms. So 2x times 3x. Well, 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared, so that'll be 6x squared. Now we've got 2x times 5. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and then we've got our x, so plus 10x. So we've multiplied both of these terms by 2x. Now we need to multiply both of these terms by 1. So let's multiply 3x by 1. So 1 times 3x is plus 3x. And finally, 1 times 5 is 5, so plus 5. So we've multiplied our brackets together. Now we just need to simplify by collecting any like terms. So we've got 6x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 5. We've got these two terms with x's, so these are both like terms, so we can add them together. 10x's plus 3x's would be 13x's. So the answer would be 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. So if we were asked to expand 2x plus 1 brackets 3x plus 5, the answer would be 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. Okay, let's have a look at our last question. So the question says expand and simplify x plus 3 close brackets squared. So this time you'll notice that there's not two brackets, we've got x plus 3 squared. Now remember that squared means multiply by itself. So that means we're going to do x plus 3 multiply by itself, x plus 3. So if we had x plus 3 squared, that means x plus 3 times x plus 3. And as you can see now, we've got our two brackets, and we just need to expand and simplify them. So we're going to multiply both of these terms by x, we're going to multiply both of these terms by 3, and then we'll collect any like terms. So x times x, well, x times x is x squared. Then we've got x times 3, well, x times 3 is 3x, so plus 3x. So we've multiplied both of these terms by x, now we need to multiply both of these terms by 3. So 3 times x is plus 3x, and finally, 3 times 3 would be 9, so plus 9. So expanding our brackets would give us x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. As you can see here, we've got some like terms, our 3x and our 3x. They will add together to give us 6x. So the answer would be x squared plus 6x plus 9. And that's it. So in this video, we've looked at how to expand two brackets. And to expand two brackets, you just need to make sure you multiply all the terms in the second bracket by each of the terms in the first bracket, and then just collect your like terms at the end. And that's it.